Alright, so now we're going to put out the short planer here. Same thing, snap swivels. Going to the inside rings here, closest to the braid. Looks perfect. So if you hold it right above the water and you just drop it, that little ring is going to put it right in the spot it needs to be. There you go. This is going to be the short one, so we're going to leave it close and then put out the long. We'll go out a little further afterwards. All right, we got the bubble gum with the long shank planer hook and a bonita strip. We already got the short planer out, putting out the long. Hooked up to the bridle. If you go past the short planer, then you don't have to worry about turning or anything like that. Now that I'm out there, let's lift up real quick. Now the planer's engaged. You still want to keep the drag kind of loose. Keep it loose, that way it doesn't pull into the short until it's further out. You see that fin on the side? Yep. This might be him. This might be a little wahoo. Yeah, bro, you had the clear shot. You went for his meat. You went for the stomach. Whatever, we got her. We got her. I don't know what you were waiting for. Holy cow. Well, there she is. Oh, look at that. Look at that.